Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to make a snake game, a 2-player snake game. So let's make it. So first things first, delete the scratch cat. We'll make a new sprite, paint it. We will just make like a normal circle. This is red. Hold down shift. Good. Call this red. Switch code. And then you realize I have a pen category here. You can just click add extension, and then you pick this pen, draw with your sprites. So when green flag clicked, we will go to X, -150, Y 0, and then in pen, he will erase all. He'll set pen color to red color, but slightly little color, like 1. Yeah, just in case there'll be some difference. Okay, so or maybe you can actually copy this the same. I think I'll stick with color 1. Okay, so and then what am I gonna do? We'll go forever. We will pen down, and then we will set here pen size, let's say 20. Let's try that. That's a little small, maybe 25. So there you go, that's copy. Okay, so here if key right arrow pressed, we will change X by say 7. Copy that. -7 if left arrow pressed. Copy that. Up arrow pressed. Wait, no. For the first player, we'll use the WASD keys. So D, A, W is W, and then S. So now we have our moving character. Wait, I can't. Oh, here we've got to use a change Y by. Here's 7. Change Y by -7. Yeah. There you go. We have something cool here. And let's decrease it to like 4, -4, 4, -4. Okay, there you go. And then so now we will make a new sprite. We'll duplicate it. We'll call this blue costumes. We'll fill this with a nice blue color. Let's say 58. then here we'll set pen color to here, to this. Wait, here, 8. We will change this to 57, maybe 59. And here, this is right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and down arrow. So, and we'll go to X150. Now you have it. Okay. So now there's no problem. You can see there's a difference here. 59. Okay. So now we're going to make another if in here. So if touching color, this blue here, 59. Wait. Yeah, 59. We will broadcast message. Blue wins. We'll make a new sprite. Then we'll write down something cool, like example marker. Then type down red wings. Fill it with, of course, red. Wait, there we go. Put it right here. Make it bigger. Not big. Then we'll duplicate that. We'll type down blue wings. We'll do that blue color. 8. Put it in the center. Let's go back to blue code. In here we'll say if touching color red, we will broadcast. Wait. We will broadcast red wins. Go to here. We'll change this to text. And then when green flag clicked, we will hide it. When I receive blue wins, we will show. Go to X 0Y0 and forever. We will go to front layer and then we will wait 0.1 second. No, 0.5 seconds. We'll put the show here. Then wait 0.5 seconds. We will hide and then wait 0.5 seconds. Let's duplicate that and let's do it to the red wings. So, and then here we will switch costume to costume 2. Here switch costume to costume 1. Let's try that. Wait, touch that. And then red wins. There you go. Oh, and then here we will hide and we will erase all. Then we will stop script. Let's try that. Okay, when I touch the red color, there you go, that happens. Do that to the red too. Hide, erase all, and then we will stop this script. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.